Totally informative video, kind of guide as how you can create an on-click function event, and through that on-click function event how you can create a custom event using a data layer. So this is totally an informative video. So a friend of mine asked me that he want to track as how many people has clicked on this and majorly clicked on this search icon. So apart from using a class, as we know that there can be many elements which have common classes on the website or on the web page. So if you want to track anything like any element on the page uniquely, like if you want to track a unique click event, but you don't want to use the GTM trigger like the click trigger in which you have to select the element, as the element can be common in several times. So what in that case what you can use is that you can create a on click function, and with that on click function you can associate a data layer in which you can fire a custom event, and then you can use that custom event as a trigger in your GTM. So I will help you with the process. So for example, you want to uh, track how many people have clicked on this particular icon, or it can be anything. If you have multiple buttons on the same page, all have same elephant, all have same class, all have same text, so how you can track them individually. So by taking an example of this icon, first we need to inspect this. We need to check the class for this particular icon, which is search summit. So we need to edit this class. Along with this class we need to add a function. So I have already prepared a function, which is this one. The class is same till here it is same, search summit. The additional thing that we are adding in it is this one, on click equals to search icon click. We are giving this function, on click function, a name which is search icon click. So I'm copying this whole thing. I'm going back to, so before doing this also what we can do is, this is a GTM container, a dummy GTM container, which I usually use to test several things on any of the website. So if you don't know how to create a dummy container, what you have to do is you can add a Chrome extension which is known as data layer inspector. This is the Chrome extension. In this, under add functionality, you need to add just the head code of the GTM container here, and just save the setting and reload the page. It would automatically configure the GTM with the website in only your environment, on your system environment or on your browser environment. So what I am doing, I'm going to the GTM, previewing it. I'm opening this website. The website is now open here, and the GTM container is successfully connected. Now again I have to go here, inspect this particular element. So this is the HTML file. I am replacing this HTML file with mine. The only difference is this one, this particular thing from here to here. You just need to update the name. Whatever name you want to use, you can use it. So I'm copying the class, I'm editing the HTML, replacing the existing with my HTML. It is now saved here. This has been done with the help of developer. You can't do it. If you want to do it, you have to take the help of the developer as well. Then you have to go to the console part, remove all this stuff. Now this is the data layer. Now the catch here is this is the function. The name of the function which I am given here should be as same. You have to put here, this is the data layer, this is the event name. So whenever someone click on that search icon, the data layer will be pushed and the event should be fired. you can change the event name as well. So this also should be added to the website with the help of developer. In the console, this is for the testing purpose. I am helping you, I am showing you how it will work in the live environment. So this has been added here. Now this is undefined. Now I'll go to the preview window again. As you can see, we are on the 15th. Till now there is no such event has been fired. So when I will click on this icon, you can see a search icon click happened. The event has been fired. Okay, and if I'll go to the preview window, we were on the 16th one. After that, you can see a custom event has been fired. Now you can use this particular event as a custom event trigger and associate a tag of GA4 or anything where you want to send the data. So this is actually the use of on-click functions, that if you have multiple elements or you want to track each and every element individually, if the element, if the class, if the text is same, you can use this function thing. I hope you like this video. If you like the video, do share the post and do follow me on the LinkedIn.